Hey there. Today, I want to share a video with you on how to share large scale video files with other people just to share the video, to get feedback. Now, this comes up very often when I'm working with my clients and I ask them to record something of themselves speaking and then send it to me to get my feedback. And very often, these files end up being far too large to send as an attachment in an email or to send through WhatsApp or any other medium like that. And so we end up with the challenge, well, Lisa, how can I get the file to you? So today I'm going to give you 3 very simple methods for sharing large scale video files. The first one is through a site called WeTransfer.com. And this is a free site. And the great thing about this site is you don't need to log in. You don't need to give them any details about yourself. You don't have to set up an account. You can just share the file between you and the person you want to send it to, as long as it's 2 gigabytes or less. If it's more than 2 gigabytes, then you will find it won't upload. You'd need to upgrade to the professional version. But keeping it under 2 gigabytes, this is a really great method. All you need to do is upload the file. Just click here, choose the file that you want to upload, and then you put in the email address of the person you're sending to, put in your email address you're sending from, give it a subject, and send a short message explaining what this video is about, and then hit transfer. And it is that simple. It will send to their email account. Now, that will be accessible to that person for about 6 or 7 days before it will disappear from the system. And so if they don't download it within that time frame, it will just disappear. Very, very safe method of sending large scale files. But sometimes the file will be more than 2 gigabytes, and so you're still running into a problem. So another method is, if you have a Gmail account, and I think everybody does nowadays, then all you need to do is go to your Google Drive, which you'll have access to 15 gigabytes of free storage through your Gmail account. And just go down to your Google Drive. I've already got mine open. And then again, you just need to upload the file. Choose the file that you want to share. I've already done that, so I'm not going to upload again. And then this is the important part. It's all very straightforward and self-explanatory, but very important is you make sure that it is shareable to other people. By default, this file will end up being restricted. It will be restricted, and that means nobody else can see it unless you put their email address in here. But if you make it anyone with the link can see and access this file, then that will be then accessible to them. Then all you need to do is grab the link, make a copy the link, and share that through your email or WhatsApp so they can access the file. Very simple. Another method is to use YouTube. Now, again, the same principle. If you have a Gmail account, just go here, click on YouTube. If you haven't already set up a YouTube account, then it will prompt you to do that. And that's, again, a free service, and it's a very handy thing to have accessible to yourself. Just go in here, and then you want to go into your studio. That's where I am right now. And then you will upload a file. Just the same way. Select the file, upload your file. You can drag it in, or you can select the file, same way, and that will start to upload to YouTube. Now, once it's uploaded, it will ask you to go through a process of just checking boxes to make sure that it's safe, and do you want to have it as a listed video, an unlisted video, or a private video? Now, I've already uploaded files here, and you'll see this one I have is unlisted. But if you want to change the privacy, you just go in and you select whichever one that you wish to have. If it's private, you're the only person who can see it. But if it's unlisted, it means that anybody that has the link will be able to see and watch that video. But it means it won't be publicly available to anybody else. So it's still a very safe method of sharing a file with somebody. And you can upload very large scale files here without any limitations. So all you then do is get that shareable link, and then you share that with the person that you're wanting to share it with via email, via WhatsApp, whichever way you connect with that person. And it's as simple as that. So I hope that's helpful for you. And yeah, let me know if you have any further questions or other things you want some tips on.